Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both files and saving versions. This prevents accidental overwrites. Open your host scene, then choose File Xref Scenes or Xref Objects to begin. When the dialog appears, pick the source. Max File and decide Reference versus Merge. Reference keeps external edits live. Next, set the path type to Absolute, Relative, or Xref to control portability. Finally, click Add and confirm the list. You've now linked the external scene and can proceed to manage its nodes. Once the link exists, you'll manage it inside the Xref Scene Manager. Show or hide groups, unload references to save memory, or reload when you need changes. You can apply overrides, replace materials, adjust transforms, or add modifiers locally without breaking the reference. This preserves the source but customizes the host. If you must bake changes, convert the Xref nodes to instances or make them editable, but be aware that conversion severs the live link. Use incremental saves while iterating to avoid data loss. To finish, confirm all dependencies are resolved. Textures, proxies, and units must load correctly before rendering or exporting. If you need a final bake, convert referenced objects to editable geometry and collapse modifiers. Once done, run a quick render test. If something breaks, first check asset paths and units, then unload the Xref and relink the correct source file. Make sure to revert to your pre-link saved version if links become corrupted. This single troubleshooting step saves time and prevents scene corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.